In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts and font sizes in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Customizing fonts can significantly improve the readability and aesthetic appeal of your forms, making them not only more user-friendly, but also more in line with your branding. Whether you want to make the text easier to read or ensure it looks professional, adjusting font sizes is a straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to open Google Forms in your browser. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the Forms homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page for a section labeled Template Gallery. Click on it to expand the full set of available form templates. If you don't see the full gallery right away, it might be collapsed. Don't worry, just click the small drop-down arrow and you'll see all the options available. Using a template can save you time by providing a structured layout. It's an efficient way to get started. And the great part is you can still customize the typography to match your specific needs. So go ahead and select a template that suits your purpose. Once you click on your chosen template, it will open in the editor, and you'll see the default styling it comes with. But don't let that intimidate you. Fonts and sizes are easily adjustable. Think of templates as a foundation you can build upon. Once the editor opens, you'll notice your form front and center, with a toolbar running along the top of the screen. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the Customize Theme icon, which resembles a small paint palette. Click on that, and it opens the theme panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is essentially your control center for all things visual in your form. Any changes you make here will update your form in real time so you can immediately see how your adjustments look. In the theme panel, you'll find options to customize the header, question text, and the smaller descriptive or body text. These sections are vital as they allow you to adjust the font sizes of the main title, the questions themselves, and any additional text such as help messages or answer choices. You can either use the size options provided or manipulate a slider to increase or decrease the sizes as you see fit. A good rule of thumb is to set the question size slightly larger than the body text. This helps questions stand out more clearly when someone is filling out your form. Additionally, make sure the header text is the largest. This creates a clear visual hierarchy which is essential for guiding users through your form. Keep in mind that if your audience is likely to fill out the form on their phones, you should avoid making your font sizes so large that they cause longer questions to wrap awkwardly. You want to aim for clear, scannable lines of text that don't overwhelm the reader. As you adjust the sizes, frequently check the live preview of your form. It's important to ensure that everything lines up nicely and maintains readability. Additionally, make sure to choose clean and legible font styles. Good contrast between the text and background is crucial as well. It enhances overall accessibility for everyone who interacts with your form. When you're satisfied with how your form looks, here's the best part. Google Forms saves your changes automatically, so there's no extra step needed. It's all set. To recap, creating a polished and user-friendly Google Form just takes a few simple steps. Open Google Forms, select a template, access the theme panel, and adjust the font sizes for your header, questions, and other text. That's all it takes to create a readable and attractive form. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice these steps to elevate your forms to the next level.